Hi, welcome back to Car Info Project channel. Mitsubishi has finally unveiled the new TRITON, also known as the L200 in certain markets. This midsize pickup is now in 6th generation, boasting a refreshed appearance both inside and out, as well as structural improvement with the introduction of a newly developed leather frame. The vehicle will be offered in double cab, club cab, and single cab body styles, all benefiting from a significant 60% increase in the torsional rigidity. One notable change is adoption of a new high-tensile steel material, resulting in a lighter body compared to the previous generation L200. The truck carbo bed has been redesigned and lowered by 45mm to 820mm, making cargo maneuvering more convenient. Additionally, practicality has been enhanced through the reinforcements of the bumper corner with a newly added step, while Mitsubishi mentioned that the utilitarian vehicle is now larger. They have effectively minimized weight gain by incorporating lighter steel, although specific details were not provided. The new rival of Ford Rangers offer different configurations, each equipped with either the Super Select 4WD, 2 or Easy Select 4WD system. The Super Select 4WD 2 system comes with a center-limited slip differential, distributing 40% of power to the front wheels and 60% to the rear wheels. The suspension has undergone a complete overhaul, featuring a new double wishbone front setup and a lighter leaf spring arrangement at the rear. Models equipped with the Super Select 4WD2 systems also benefit from active yaw control, which enhances cornering performance by gently applying the brake to the inside front wheel. Additionally, the vehicle includes hill descent and hill start assist systems, making off-road driving more manageable. Mitsubishi has revealed information only about the new diesel engine, which is a 2.4-liter unit available in the three power outputs, 148 horsepower and 330 Nm, 181 horsepower and 430 Nm, and the most potent configuration with the 201 horsepower and 470 Nm. Depending on the chosen engine variant, the Volkswagen Amarok competitor is paired with either a 6-speed automatic transmission or a shift-by-wire manual with the same number of gears.